Celebrity Chef Wolfgang Puck wants to help you prepare some new menu items on your holiday table this Thanksgiving.
He's hosting a free virtual event where he'll be cooking up everything from a roasted turkey with sage butter gravy to bread pudding with sausage, apple, pecan pie, you name it. Here to tell us more about the event called A Perfect Pairing Thanksgiving and Rosé. Welcome.
Yeah.
The one and only. Hi, Wolfgang.
Thank you.
Hello,
for having
Wolfgang.
me. Hello, and happy Thanksgiving in advance for everybody. You know, Thanksgiving, even we have to be careful, but it's a family event, and you have to cook all day. Now, keep the turkey simple, and make everything around it really special. You know, I put sage butter underneath the skin of the turkey, so that way it stays much moisture and it doesn't dry out. And then I make my favorite Brussels sprouts. It's really easy to do. I butter a pan, put a little sugar and a little salt, and cut the Brussels sprouts in half and cook them like that.
Wolfgang,
for about 10 minutes.
Wolfgang, let me give you a little tip on Brussels sprouts. I take the Brussels sprouts, I cut them in half after I've softened them in the microwave, and then I saute them with a little olive oil and pancetta and salt and pepper. I'm just giving you a little tip here.
Okay, thank you so much. Good tips are always welcome.
He's going to take that tip and shove it.
You know what?
Yes.
We need a new chef in our restaurant. I think we take applications from you right now.
I'm ready to go, sir.
So on November 19th, on all social channels, you're going to see me cooking, and you're going to have my friend John McDaniel. He's going to talk a little bit about wine. And people always say, what should I drink with it? White wine, red wine. I think rosé is just perfect.
Rosé all day, Wolfgang.
Because it has the fruitiness and it has also the acidity. So this is a rosé from Provence, not far from where I used to work, actually, at Romagna. It's called Château de Berne, and it's really delicious. I drink it at home all the time, and I think it goes very well with your turkey because the turkey has white meat, dark meat. Also, a lot of these things are a little bit sweet, so you need the acidity to counterbalance it.
Beautiful. Okay, Wolfgang, we hear that you're going to show us how you make your cranberry sauce.
I'm going to show you how I make my cranberry sauce. So what I do, I use part of this rosé wine, some brown sugar, orange peel, orange juice, and I shouldn't tell you now, if not, you're not going to watch, and so forth, and make it tangy and sweet, but with a lot of flavor. And you know what I do? You can see it here. Look, I'm going to take one apple. So I roast some apples, and then I put the cranberry chutney right in the apple, and it's really perfect. So it's another side dish, and you have your cranberry chutney with it.
That looks delicious.
Great idea.
That's even better than my Brussels sprouts.
Almost as good. But you know what? We're going to add a little thing. But don't cook them in the microwave. It's not necessary.
Wolfgang, I don't like to cook on Thanksgiving. I find it's so much pressure. But can I get catering from you?
You know, our Wolfgang Puck Catering, we actually are prepared because a lot of people don't want to cook at home. It's too much work and this and that. So we can cook for you, even if you call the Bel Air Hotel. If you live in the neighborhood, we do catering from there. But Wolfgang Puck Catering really does all the turkeys you will need. So if you want to get ready, if you don't want to make the pies, the vegetables, and all that stuff, call us. We'll do it for you.
Excellent.
Wolfgang, when you sit down on Thanksgiving Day, what's your favorite thing on the table?
You know what? I really like all the side dishes.
Me too.
I love great sweet potato. Now, you know what I'm going to do also is braised red cabbage with some apples in it and some orange juice and braised chestnuts. Now you can buy chestnuts in the supermarket, and you cook them with a little sugar, some onions, some thyme, a little rosemary, and it goes so well with it. I did that when I lived in France. We used to have turkeys also once in a while with braised chestnuts, and that's delicious. So
lovely.
A little different, but it's all about the side dishes. You know, for me, the turkey, if you go to somebody's house, you know, the turkeys are too cooked or not cooked enough.
Yes.
It's cold most of the time. And I think a good pumpkin soup is good, but don't forget dessert. To me, a great pecan pie or a great apple pie is amazing. I am not a big fan of pumpkin pies, but you always have to make one.
That's right. It has to be there. Thanks, Wolfgang.
You
Great
are
to see you.
the
Thank
best.
you. Enjoy and cheers.
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 A good glass of rosé will go very well with you.
Once again, a perfect pairing, Thanksgiving and rosé, happening on November 19th. It is free. All you have to do is go to the Château de Berne website at chateauberne.com or their Facebook page for more information on Wolfgang Puck, including how you can order a Wolfgang Puck Thanksgiving to enjoy at home. You can go to wolfgangpuck.com.
He's the best.